Hello friends, in this lecture we will see multi-axis deburring and you will find this option here. We use multi-axis deburring where the chamfer or fillet we have not created any chamfer and fillet, the edges are sharp, that time we can use this deburring option, and we can use for multi-axis or for 3 axis we can use with the help of ball mill or spherical mill we can use this operation. So here I have already defined a tool. Okay, so one ball mill is there and I want to use this tool for deburring and click create operation. My operation is this and tool, select the tool, workpiece, and okay, this is 3 axis. And if you will select this automatic edges, so automatically it will detect all the sharp edges. Okay, and we can exclude any edges, so we will see this. Okay, and here we have the deburring control width, means according to the width you want this or the depth. Width is this direction and depth is in z direction, and that is 0.5, so it will remove 0.5 material from the deburring. Okay, and that is the width. If you will change it to depth, so 0.5 depth will remove from this. Any option you want you can select, and geometry will automatically select. Okay, blank, I'm not going to define any blank, and keep it like this. And from the axis, see here intent we have 3 axis. I'm going to use the 3 axis. If you are using for multi-axis for 5 axis, so select this option 3 plus 2. Okay, and here I'm going to use this 3 axis only, so keep it like this. And under strategy we can add multiple passes. So first generate it, then we will see. It will take a little bit time. See here in preview, replay, and see it is working in z direction only. Okay, and these connections are, so in this I'm going to skip some edges, and I want to change this connection. So from non-cutting move, see blend spline, it is creating blend spline. These green color lines are this blended spline. I'm going to change it to clearance. Okay, and one more thing, I'm going to change this exclude edge. Okay, so outer edge I'm going to exclude, so click. I'm not want to create this operation for this edges. Okay, now generate it and we will see the result. Outer edge will skip. Okay, because I have excluded outer edges, and the transfer mode is clearance. So tool will retract up to the clearance plane and then it will move. See, now blend splines are not available. The tool is retracting and again engaging and creating the tool path. Okay, from the non-cutting, it is advisable to use this blend spline, that is more useful. And see, play. Here we have the edge. Okay, that's why it is moving there. So this is the deburring option.